based on Childworld Initiative Channel. I am Senami. Now we will be learning square of numbers. As you can see, square of numbers. Again, square of numbers. What do we mean by square of numbers? Square of numbers means multiplying a number twice or by itself. Square of numbers means multiplying a number twice or by itself. For example, let's find the square of number 2. This is my number 2. And I will be writing a small number 2 at the top right corner of my big number 2. Here is it. So this tells me I am to find the square of number 2, which means 2 multiplied by 2, which gives me 4. So the square of number 2 is 4. Let's give another example by looking for the square of number 3. I write my number 3 and a small number 2 at the top right corner of my number 3, which means 3 multiplied by 3 and gives me 9. So we've just found the square of number 2 and the square of number 3. The square of number 2 is 4. The square of number 3 is 9. Now, I have something interesting to show you. Let's show this on our counting frame. This is our counting frame. As you can see, it has holes in it. And this, these are our squares and these are our counting stands. Yes, they are so colorful. So let's find the square of number 2. Let's show it. I'll be picking 2 stands. 2 stands. Because I want to find the square of number 2. 1, 2. The next thing I will do is I'll be putting 2 squares each on each of these stands. Do not forget, I want to find the square of number 2. 1, 2 on the first stand. Then on the second stand, another 2 squares. 1, 2. Then I'll count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it shows that we are correct. The square of number 2 is 4. Let's look for the square of a bigger number. Number 4. For example, number 4. For my number 4, I will be needing 4 stands, not 2 stands anymore. 4 stands. 1 stand. The second one, 2. The third one, 3. And the last one, which is my number 4. So I have 4 stands because I want to find the square of my number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next thing I will do is I'll be putting 4 squares on each of these stands. 4 squares. The first one, 1, 2, 3, and 4. The second one, I'll put another 4 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do not forget, I am trying to find the square of number 4. I'll put another 4 square. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the last stand, which is the fourth stand, I'll put another 4 squares. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's a lot. Are we ready to count together? Now let's count together to find the square of number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes! So the square of number 4 is 16. Exactly. We did well. That was wonderful. Now let's look for the square of another number. Let's say number 5, for example. Number 5. So it means we'll be using 5 stands. 5 stands. So I'll remove all of this first. Remove everything properly. Move them one after the other. Remove the stands. Remove this. Remove the stands. Then this. And remove everything. So, we are here again. Let's find the square of number 5. We'll be picking 5 stands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 stands. 1, 2, put it in. 3, 4, and 5. You know what the next thing is? Yes, I know you do. We'll be putting 5 squares in each of these stands. 5 squares in each of these stands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this, the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. So that gives us the square of number 5, which is 25. I know you enjoyed this series. Thank you very much. And do not forget, I said the square of numbers is when you multiply a number twice or by itself. Well, thank you very much for watching this series. See you next time. And do not forget to like, share, and your comments are welcome, and subscribe. Bye.